Hey there, YouTube surfers. Want to do a quick follow-up video of the Beelink SER5 mini PC. It's been about 3 or 4 weeks. I got this thing up and running. No issues really. Real quick, I hung it on the back of my monitor. I covered up the top ports, the USB 3.2 ports. Just keep dust out of them because I'm not going to really be using them. At least not all the time. So I didn't want a bunch of dust getting in there since they are facing upwards. But yeah, I bolted it to my monitor with the included mount. This is just this is like a 23 inch monitor. I got a dual monitor setup. On the bottom, I used the included HDMI cable to go from here over to the second monitor. And then please excuse the mess and the dust. Just trying to be real here, you know. And got the HDMI, the short HDMI cable plugged directly into the monitor that it's hanging off of. So yeah, this worked out really well. The little mount came with 2 seconds, had it bolted on, real easy. And this is an older monitor too. This monitor is probably about 10 years old, and it lined up fine. It's just an AOC monitor, nothing special. Pretty cheap monitor. So yeah, I got the dual setup going. I also purchased, I'll leave a link in the description, I also purchased a external DVD burner, which I'm actually extracting a DVD now. A home movie I'm putting on MP4. But yeah, just one cable. I'll put a link, like I said, one cable going from this into the mini PC. So it's real clean. You know, I was like, oh man, I'm gonna be without a DVD drive for the first time in my life, which we don't use CDs or DVDs that much anymore today, but every once in a while. And getting rid of this old big beast of a machine, this HP that just served me well. And you know, it still works just fine, but it's about, I think this is like from 2011. Still actually pretty decent machine actually, but I just kind of wanted to go something smaller. And then I got the Synology DS220 server, little file server here. It's got 2 disks in it. It's a 2-disk server. So that's how I'm dealing with my reduced storage situation that I now have with my Beelink mini PC. So I've got 512 in here, and that's plenty for applications and whatnot, but for like photos and just storing all kinds of videos and stuff like that, you might want to have something like this. I probably won't do a video on this. This is just kind of a FYI, kind of how I'm doing it. But if you don't have a lot of things to store, you don't really need a server. So yeah, it was working out. So performance-wise, it's been working out great. I mean, this thing is cranking away. You know, I only use it for home office, web surfing, maybe some light video editing, which I haven't really done yet, honestly. But yeah, so far it's faster than my old PC. No issues, and it just works. Windows 11, love it or hate it, it's here. I haven't had too many issues with Windows 11, but that's what comes standard on this mini PC. So there you have it. You're looking for a desktop replacement, and you know, you want to free up some space on your desk. I still have this here because honestly, I just kind of been lazy, haven't gotten rid of it yet, but I haven't really touched it in like 3 weeks. I'm kind of verifying that I got all my data transferred before I, you know, officially move this or sell it or whatever I'm going to do with it. But yeah, it's no issues. It's fast. It just works. So I don't know what else to say about it besides, you know, if you want to downsize from the old school, you know, PC, get the mini one or something, you know, maybe not a Beelink, maybe something small. I'd say go for it. If you have additional storage needs, get something like this. Get a big external drive. You know, this is a little bit nerdy. It works great for my needs, but I'm kind of a nerdy guy, so I think it's great. But if you're less tech savvy, you know, you could just get a big giant regular, what do you call it? Regular external drive to store all your stuff if you need more than what's available on here. So there you have it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a like if you liked it, and have a great day. All right, bye-bye.